On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2015 Gateway 3900 SE by Heartland RV. This fifth wheel is perfect for residential living, offering a rear living floor plan with 4 slide outs that really open up the overall space. Featuring elegant hardwood cabinetry, extensive overhead lighting, richly colored countertops, and both carpeted and linoleum flooring, it all adds up to a warm and inviting residential environment. Entertain family and friends in the large rear living room. There's room for everyone and everything, with plenty of extra storage cabinets along the ceiling. Against the rear wall is a large sofa, with the adjacent slide housing a cozy love seat, and freestanding table and chairs in the dining area. The attractive kitchen features plenty of storage and counter space. It's nicely appointed and has a large residential stainless steel refrigerator. The left door at the top of the stairs is the entry to the private front bedroom, and on the right is the dual entry bathroom. At one end is a step-in shower with integrated seating, textured sliding glass doors, and large skylight above. There's also a mirrored medicine cabinet and countertop sink on that side, and in a separate enclosure is a foot flush toilet with linen cabinet above. Continuing to the private front bedroom, there's a hall closet with washer and dryer connections, and the bedroom offers a wealth of living and storage space, with mirrored wardrobes and multiple compartment dressers. This Heartland Gateway is designed to make you feel right at home, no matter where your journey might take you. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this and a whole lot more at RV Depot.